Hello students, welcome to this video. In the last videos of fundamental operations, we had a discussion on multiplication, addition and subtraction. The link is there. Now today in this video, we shall solve some problems on the topic that we have already covered. So you may call it a revision video. Problem number 1. Here, subtract first term from the second and the terms are 3.5 ABC and 10.5 BCA. So, solution. Here, first term from the second. So, this is the first term and this is the second term. So, from the second term, we have to subtract the first term. So, we have to write it first, that is 10.5 BCA minus 3.5 ABC. So, I am doing it in row method. So, it is your choice. You can use a column method also. So 10.5 minus 3.5. So I have already told that the coefficient will be taken after we check whether it is like term or not. See, BCA and ABC. Okay, they both are like terms because the product of ABC and the product of BCA are same. So we can write it BCA, or you could have written it ABC. So 10.5 minus 3.5. So what is 10.5 minus 3.5? So this is 0, this is 7. So this is only 7. So 7 BCA, or you can write 7ABC, and that is the answer. The next question is simplify 6x square y minus 2xy square plus 5x square y minus xy square. So here we have to look for the like terms and we will put them in a bracket. Now 6x square y and 5x square y. So x square y, they are like terms. Let us put them in a bracket. So this equal to 6x square y and this is plus 5x square y. And next 2, that is minus 2 xy square and minus xy square. So obviously xy square are like terms. So minus 2, so let us, okay, minus 2xy square minus xy square. So this is, okay, now 6x square y and 5x square y. So 6 plus 5 is 11x square y. Okay, let us go for the last part, that is xy square. So it is minus 2xy square and minus xy square. So it will be minus 2 minus 1, there is plus xy square. So 11x square y plus minus 3xy square. So it is 11x square y minus 3xy square, and that is the answer. Okay, let's go for the problem number 3. Here we have to find the sum of 3x plus 4xy minus y square, xy minus 4x plus 2y square, 3y square minus xy plus 6x. So here I would like to go for the column method. So let us write down this expression in the first. 3x plus 4xy minus y square. So we will write this expression over here. So it is xy. So we have to write the like terms one below another. So xy, it is 4xy. So we will write plus xy because it is positive. Now minus 4x. So we will write minus 4x over here. Now 2y square. So it is plus 2y square. Then this expression. So this is 3y square. So 3y square, it is positive. So 3y square minus xy. So minus xy and 6x. So plus 6x. We have to find the sum. That is why let us add them. So 3. So we will just write down the coefficient in the bracket. Now 3 minus 4 plus 6. 3 minus 4 plus 6 x. Then for the case of xy, it is put a plus and start a bracket. It is 4 plus 1. It is nothing means 1 Okay, then minus 1 xy, and here put a plus and start a bracket. It is minus 1 obviously, so minus 1 plus 2 plus 3, and here y square. So what is this? 3 minus 4 plus 6. 3 minus 4 is minus 1 plus 6, then x, plus 4 plus 1 minus 1. So these two will get cancelled. So it is only 4 xy. Now it is minus 1 plus 2. So minus 1 plus 2 is 1 plus 3 y square. So it is minus 1 plus 6. Obviously it is 5x plus 4 xy. 1 plus 3 is 4 y square, and that is the answer. You may check it by using row method also. Let's go for the next problem. Here the question is, take 5x plus 6y minus 3z from 3x minus 5y plus 4z. So take means it is a pure subtraction. That means we have to take out this thing from this thing. So subtract, that means subtract this thing from this. So let us do it by column method. So 3x minus 5y plus 4z. Here 5x plus 6y minus 3z. So because it is subtraction, we have to change the sign. So here it was positive, it has been negative. Now it was positive, it has been negative, and it is negative, so it has been positive. Okay, so this is its own sign right now. So 3 and minus 5. So we write 3 minus 5x. Now plus, this is minus 5 and it is minus 6 y. Now plus, it is 4 plus 3 z. So it will be equal to 3 minus 5 is what? Minus 2 x. Minus 5 minus 6, both are negative. So it will be minus 11 y. 4 plus 3, it is 7 z. So minus 2x minus, it is minus 11, so plus minus minus, minus 11y plus 7z is the answer right now. Let's go for the next problem. Here multiply minus 8xyz plus 10x square yz z cube and xyz. So we have to multiply this thing with this. So it is a binomial and it is a monomial. So let us write in this way: minus 8xyz plus 10x square y z cube multiplied by xyz. So this thing will be multiplied with this thing and this thing separately. So that equals to minus 8xyz into xyz. Okay, so this plus sign will come over here and it is 10x square y z cube into xyz. So minus 8 and here is nothing means 1, so it is minus 8 only, and x power is 1, power is 1, so these powers will be added. So x to the power 2, y to the power 1, y to the power 1, so y to the power 2, and similarly z to the power 2 plus this is 10 and here is 1, so it is 10 only. Now x to the power what? It is 2 and it is 1, so it is 2 plus 1, that is to the power 3, into y to the power, it is 1, it is 1, so y to the power 2, and it is 3 and it is 1, so z to the power 3 plus 1, that is 4. Okay, this is the answer. Let's go for the next problem, that is problem number 6. Here we have to find the product of xy minus ab and xy plus ab. So let's go for the solution. So let us write it in this way: xy minus ab into xy plus ab. So here each term of this binomial will be multiplied with each term of this binomial. So let us write it in this way. So xy, so this xy has come here and this total binomial will come here. So xy plus ab, and it is minus ab, so write minus ab and xy plus ab. Okay. Now this xy will be multiplied with each term in this bracket. So xy into xy plus xy into xy is done. Now xy into ab. Okay. Minus this ab into xy. So ab into xy and this ab plus ab into ab. Okay, now xy into xy, so x to the power 1, x to the power 1, so x square, y to the power 1, y to the power 1, y square. It is simple. Plus here, so there is no like factor, so that is why we will keep it in this way, ab xy minus, so it is ab xy again, ab xy, so let us open the bracket, and it is ab into ab, so minus plus minus ab into ab, so a to the power 1, a square, b to the power 1, b to the power 1, so b square. Okay, so it is abxy, it is abxy, but it is positive, it is negative, so it will be cancelled. Now x square, y square, and it is minus a square, b square. This is the result. Thank you students, hope you have understood. In the next video we shall discuss on division. Thank you for watching.